Welcome back to AnTick Machine, a place where the past and present of industrial craftsmanship come alive. Here, we explore the machines that shape the modern world, from forests and sawmills to steel foundries and factory floors. In today's journey, we'll travel deep into the world of wood, from the moment a tree meets the saw to the final polished plank. Every machine you're about to see carries a legacy of engineering, power, and precision. Let's begin where it all starts, deep in the forest with the mighty feller buncher. It begins with the roar of hydraulics and the snap of timber. The feller buncher, a marvel of modern logging, grabs, cuts, and gathers trees in one swift motion. Each claw is controlled with surgical precision, slicing through trunks that would take hours by hand. This machine revolutionized logging in the 1960s, replacing crews of men with a single operator in a steel cab. Protected from flying bark and splinters, the driver commands over 300 horsepower to bring down forests with minimal effort. Efficient, powerful, and strangely elegant, the feller buncher is the modern-day lumberjack. Once the trees are down, it's time for the harvester to take over. This all-in-one giant grips, cuts, measures, and trims each log to perfect size, all in seconds. Sensors inside the head calculate diameter, length, and even wood density. In the 1980s, Scandinavian engineers perfected this technology to tackle icy forests with maximum efficiency. It's a perfect blend of robotics and raw power, working tirelessly day and night. The harvester doesn't just cut wood, it measures productivity by the millimeter. After harvesting, the forest floor becomes a ballet of heavy steel. The grapple skidder enters, a muscular hauler designed to drag giant logs out of the woods. Its massive tires and articulated frame make it look like a beast crawling through mud and roots. Invented in the mid-20th century, skidders replaced chains and horses, cutting extraction time by nearly 70%. With hydraulic claws strong enough to crush a car, this machine drags tons of timber to the landing site with ease. A modern-day workhorse, still built with the same rugged spirit as the early pioneers. At the sawmill, the first task is to strip away the bark, the tree's natural armor. Debarkers use spinning drums and steel teeth to peel it clean, revealing the golden grain beneath. Older mills used axes and knives for this, but modern debarkers can process over 150 logs per hour. It's the first transformation, from forest roughness to industrial precision. Every clean log that rolls out is ready for the saw. The head rig bandsaw, where the true cutting begins. This massive blade, often over 10 feet long, hums with deep metallic rhythm as it slices through the heart of the log. Early sawmills were water-powered, their bands turning slowly through oak and pine. Today's versions run at incredible speed, turning logs into perfectly square cants with accuracy once thought impossible. Each pass of the blade is a testament to centuries of sawmilling evolution. From towering trees to polished planks, each machine plays a vital role in a process older than industry itself. The tools may change, but the spirit of craftsmanship remains the same. Thanks for watching AnTick Machine, where technology meets tradition. Until next time, stay curious and keep the machines running.